Today's word is campaign. This is the word you normally have heard at the time of elections or in your school or in university. Okay, so now let us see what is the meaning of campaign. A series of activities designed to produce a particular result. Okay, so when we are talking about campaign, we are talking about some steps, we are talking about some activities that are specifically designed to reach a particular goal or to reach or to get some desired output. Okay, before going directly to this example, let us understand this thing also. An organized course of action to achieve a goal. Okay, suppose to achieve some goal, some instructions have been given or some specified steps has been described already. If we are going through those instructions or steps, we can certainly reach our goal. Okay, so we can say that this is campaigning. Okay, now let us understand with this particular example an election campaign. So I had already told you that you had heard this word at the time of election. So, at the time of election, when the representative of a particular party has stand up for a particular post, so the party started an election campaign to promote the party as a symbol and its representative, so that the party could win that particular election. Okay, next, the university is organizing a campaign to attract a more diverse student population. That means university is going to organize a campaign, a big program, so the students from all over the world with diverse religion, race, etc., they can join the college. Okay, next, the campaign against drugs. So suppose there were some social groups that are working in this area, and they have started a campaign, they have started some agitation, they have started some series of some steps, some activities that can tell the parents, the students, the teacher, as well as everyone, to make them aware about the drugs, so that nobody or no student or no one indulge in the bad practice of drugs. Okay, next, a series of military battles, attacks, etc., designed to produce a particular result in a war. So we can also use campaign when in military sense, when we are talking about some series of military battles or attacks that are designed to reach or to get some particular output in a war, such as a bombing campaign. So a bombing campaign means there were some series of bombs or some series of attacks by through bomb, so that the particular area can be captured. So how we can use this word as verb? To lead or take part in a campaign, to support or oppose someone or something to achieve something. So when we are actually taking part in a campaign, we are saying that we are using it as a verb. Okay, to support or to oppose something so that we can reach up to something. Let us see the example. She campaigned to save the town library. That means the girl that about which we are talking here, that she has started a campaign to save the town library from destruction or from demolition. Okay, next, a time when women were campaigning for the right to vote. So there was a time when some women has come out on the streets, and they have started the agitation, and they have started some series of activities to pressurize the government that a woman should also get the right to vote. Okay, he campaigned for president or governor or mayor. That means here campaign means that person is going to be going to stand up for the post, so that he can be elected as a president, governor, or mayor, whatever that post may be. But campaign means that he has stand up or he is the particular representative. uh, okay, next, now let us see some of the synonyms and antonyms of this particular word. Crusade, drive, push, effort, struggle, move, movement, operation, maneuver, course of action, and strategy. Let us see some of the antonyms also. In action. So this is the word campaign, and I would like you to write a sentence using this word and post it in the comments below. Thank you.